In this video, we're going to use the number line model to represent mixed numbers. So again, I'm going to look at my number line, and I'm going to look at how many parts I have. I have 0 to 3 within each one. Within each section, I have 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to use my, I'm going to cover up the rest of the number line here. Okay, and I'm just going to look between 0 and 1, and I'm going to count these 1, 2, 3 parts, okay, between 0 and 1. Again, remembering that we're counting these parts, these jumps between the lines, and not the lines themselves. I'm going to use the area model to help me identify the fractions here. So I know 3 parts would give me thirds. So when I draw my rectangle, divide it into thirds. So one jump would be 1/3. My next jump, I would shade another. That would give me 2/3. And then when I shade another one, that gives me 3/3 or 1. Okay, 3/3 is equal to 1. So I now have 1 or 3/3 shaded. Now I'm going to look at the next part between 1 and 2. So I have one hole here. And again, I'm going to use the area model to help me. So I'm going to do this jump here. And now I have 1 and 1/3. So that's 1 and 1/3. Okay, one whole, 1/3. When I do my next jump, that's now going to give me 1 and 2/3. 1 and 2/3. My next jump is going to give me 1 and 3/3, which is the same as 2. 1 and 3/3 is the same as 2. I'm going to look at my next part and use the area model again to help me. So if I'm at 2, or 1 and 1/3, I'm going to do another jump, and that will now give me 2 and 1/3. When I do another jump, that's going to give me 2 and 2/3. One more jump will bring me to 2 and 3/3, which is the same as 3. So now I've used the area model to help represent this number line using thirds and fractions. If I were to look at where the star is on the number line, I would be able to identify that as 2 and 1/3.